Installing a shower head just got a whole lot easier. Hey guys, it's Carmen DiMaggio, and our friends sent over this this is a 20-stage filtering shower head. Crazy. It's a huge shower head. It's gonna attach right here and it's gonna fit on perfectly. In fact, they give you the installation guide and shows you everything step by step. And on the back, it even shows you how to replace the cartridge for the water filter. And if it wasn't easy enough, they give you all of the tools provided. So you have the wrench here, you also have Teflon tape, and you have a new screen that you can replace in the shower head after a few months. All right, so let's get into the shower head itself. So here is the shower head. It comes in a variety of different colors depending on your finish. We have gold. We are going to be updating this to match this. I do want to open this up so you can see. To open up the filter, you're just going to hold the shower and turn the top part counterclockwise. Oh no! Oh, that I just dropped is our filter. This is the 20-stage filter. And from what I understand, we're just going to install it right here. And as the water comes through, the water gets all filtered through here. You want to make sure when you are reinstalling the filter that this is nice and secure, because the last thing you want to have is the water leaking from the shower head itself. So now that we have that on nice and secure, we're going to remove the plastic cover on the back. And what's nice is they already have pre-installed the filter in there for you. So now all we're going to do is line this up and screw it on just like so. And then when it gets to that point where it's just a little too hard, we're going to use the provided wrench that our friends gave us. So it's really nice. So fresh out of the box, it comes with everything you need to install. Oh, there's even like a little groove. There's like a little groove there. You just slide this into. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Make sure this is nice and secure. You do not want to over tighten it. It's always best to side on the air of caution and go lighter when you first put it on. And then if it leaks, we can tighten it up from there. All right, so let's see what the spray pattern looks like. All right, so there's a big solid spray pattern. That's probably the one I'll use the most. And then this one has more of like a power spray. Ooh, that's your power spray right there. Go back to that one. And then you have an overall like fan. So there's a variety of different shower patterns you can choose from. I think the shower head itself looks very nice. Installation is super easy to install. So again, if you're looking for an easy upgrade that is a filtered shower head, look no further and go check out our friends.